Long before the rise of mighty empires, when the earth was still young and wild, humans wandered as small, fragile creatures, entirely at the mercy of nature. Imagine a world without cities, without kings, without roads, only endless forests, rivers, and plains stretching to the horizon. In this world, survival was the greatest adventure. Our ancestors, the first humans, lived in small groups. They hunted animals, gathered fruits, and learned to read the subtle signs of nature, where the rains would fall, which plants were safe to eat, and when predators were near. Life was harsh, unpredictable, but full of discovery. Then came the spark that would change everything, the discovery of agriculture. For the first time, humans planted seeds and tended them carefully. Wheat, barley, rice, they nurtured life from the soil itself. With farming came stability. People could settle in one place, build shelters, and form the first communities. From these early settlements grew villages, and from villages, towns. As people stayed in one place, they invented new ways to live together, trade, governance, and shared rituals. They celebrated the cycles of nature, worshipped the sun, the rivers, the stars, and the forces that shaped their lives. At the banks of rivers like the Nile, the Tigris, and the Euphrates, the first civilizations rose. Stone buildings replaced mud huts. Written symbols replaced oral stories. Humanity was no longer just surviving. It was beginning to understand itself and the world. Craftsmen carved tools, artists painted walls, and priests wrote down laws and prayers. The seeds of culture, knowledge, and power had been sown. Even in this early stage, humans dreamed of more. They looked at the horizon and imagined kingdoms, roads, trade, and knowledge that could span the earth. The dawn of civilization was not just about survival. It was about ambition, creativity, and the first steps toward shaping the world we know today.
Long before the rise of mighty empires, when the earth was still young and wild, humans wandered as small, fragile creatures, entirely at the mercy of nature. Imagine a world without cities, without kings, without roads, only endless forests, rivers, and plains stretching to the horizon. In this world, survival was the greatest adventure. Every day was a test of wit, courage, and endurance. Every meal hunted, every shelter built, every fire tended. These were victories that allowed life to continue. Our ancestors, the first humans, lived in small, intimate groups. They were nomads, constantly moving across vast landscapes, following herds of animals, and searching for edible plants, berries, and roots. Their knowledge of the environment was subtle yet profound.